Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So now I am going to talk about how you can sync off your Azure Active Directory with a Google Workspace and Google Cloud IAM. So the users and groups, how we can sync up with your uh, Google Workspace and Google Cloud Identity Access Management, Users Management. So here first of all I would like to tell you how you'll log into our Google Workspace. So as you can see in the URL, this is the URL https admin.google.com. This is the URL to log in Google Workspace. As soon as you log in, click on the directory, right? So once you click on the directory, then you can see these are the options. Then as soon as you find all these options, you can quickly see the directory sync. This is the options which will help us to sync up our Azure Active Directory and our on-prem Active Directory. These are the two options which will help us. We can sync up our users and group with our Google Workspace. It will display users and group here, and whatever the organization unit, everything will be mapped. So let me quickly go to the Azure directory. So this is the options like prerequisite to connect your Azure Active Directory server to your Google directory. So how you will connect your Azure directory to Google Workspace? So uh, the procedure, an admin account that has read access to your Azure Active Directory server, and you will use that user to connect the Azure Active Directory to your Google directory. So if you want to know little bit more about the steps, you click on learn more, so you will get the steps. And the second step, the connect your Google account with the Azure Active Directory using the account created above the directory details page. So the token is revoked manually or automatically. The token expire due to the inactivity. So this is the process of the connectivity, and then as soon as once these two process is done, then we'll click on continue. So here Azure Active Directory, the object to your Google directory. So if you want to little bit know more about this, click on learn more. Otherwise, if you know the directory name, you put the directory name, and then you put the description details here, and the directory type here. Just this is the directory type, is the Azure Active Directory. If as soon as you complete this, then authorize and save it, right? And now let me explain same similarly the steps which you will follow for Active Directory. So the same thing, first you will set up a connectivity between on-prem to cloud. Then you mention your project ID and VPC access name, then enter Active Directory server details, host, port and name server, authorized username and password. If these are the steps is already done, if you know a little bit more about, so click on learn more, then you'll find all these steps, then click on continue, then steps will be complete. So this is one of the new uh, new things which is enabled by Google. So how we can sync up, for example you are in Azure and you want to map that user with the Google Cloud and Google Workspace. So ultimately hope this video will be helpful, and stay tuned to get more video like this. Thank you.